There's a new AI video style blowing up right now, jelly-style AI videos. They're satisfying, super shareable, and one account already hit 75,000 followers just posting this format. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make them. No editing skills, no paid software. Let's get into it. Step 1. Generate ideas. Copy the master prompt from the description and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and send it. ChatGPT will instantly generate multiple video concepts for this niche. Pick the one you like. For this example, I'm going with number 1. ChatGPT will then create a detailed video prompt for you. Copy it. Step 2. Generate the video. Open Google Flow and switch to video generation mode. Choose your aspect ratio and output settings and select the Omni Flash model for the best results. Paste the prompt, click generate, and wait for it to render. Once it's done, review the result. Step 3. Create more variations. Go back to ChatGPT and type number 8. It'll instantly generate a completely new video prompt. Copy it, paste it into Google Flow, and generate again. Your second video is ready in moments. Repeat this to create unlimited unique videos with different concepts and characters. Step 4. Export. When you're happy with the output, export the video in the highest quality available. That's the full workflow. Simple, fast, and easy to scale. If this helped, like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.